This audio program has been produced by Pub 365. New TOEIC Edge, Actual Test 1. Listening Test. In the listening test, you will be asked to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. The entire listening test will last approximately 45 minutes. There are 4 parts and directions are given for each part. You must mark your answers on the separate answer sheet. Do not write your answers in your test book. Part 1. Directions. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements about a picture in your test book. When you hear the statements, you must select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then, find the number of the question on your answer sheet and mark your answer. The statements will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Look at the example item below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
Some people are paddling through the water.
B.
Some people are crossing the bridge.
C.
Some people are walking along the shoreline.
D.
Some people are camping in a forest.
Statement A
Some people are paddling through the water.
is the best description of the picture, so you should select answer A and mark it on your answer sheet. Now, part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
Some chairs are being replaced into the office.
B.
She is taking out something from her bag.
C.
Something has been put on the table.
D.
She is filling a paper bag.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
Boxes are being loaded into a cart.
B.
A man is labeling some boxes.
C.
Cartons are being packed on the floor.
D.
A cart is being placed in the corner.
Go on to the next page. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
A light is mounted on the ceiling.
B.
There is a vase on the chair.
C.
A photograph is hanging over the desk.
D.
A table is between 2 chairs.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
Some posters have been put up in a sports stadium.
B.
Papers have been replaced on the wall.
C.
Packages have been carried to a sports park.
D.
Newspapers are being sold in the box office.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
Some people are using their cameras.
B.
Some people are taking pictures in the stadium.
C.
Some people are wearing long sleeves.
D.
Some people are clapping for the players.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
A man is looking at a doctor straight.
B.
A woman is wearing her rings.
C.
A doctor is examining a man's ear.
D.
A patient is holding his hands.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. You will hear a question or statement and 3 responses spoken in English. They will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
Who should I talk to about obtaining a new smartphone?
A.
The new application should be available soon.
B.
They're not very cheap anymore.
C.
They usually deal with things like it.
Number 8.
Could you share your survey at the marketing conference on Tuesday?
A.
I will be away in 30 minutes.
B.
Mr. Houston was presented last Monday.
C.
That's where I was during the last marketing conference.
Number 9.
When did you sell your shop?
A.
Too many shoppers visited us last weekend.
B.
The store is for sale.
C.
A week ago.
Number 10.
Isn't the price of our mobile phone too expensive?
A.
Our competitor has already made a cheap one.
B.
The company will reimburse your business expense.
C.
Yes, we should lower it.
Number 11.
Would you work on the law firm?
A. No, but Miss Serena Evans is working on it. B. Your steak is raw. C. The application form will arrive soon. Number 12.
How will you come to the party?
A.
I'm getting a ride from Nick Sierra.
B.
The party wouldn't be exciting.
C.
On arrival time.
Number 13.
Why was the concert cancelled?
A.
Yes, the cancellation fee is ours.
B.
There were famous musicians there.
C.
Not many tickets were sold.
Number 14.
Is the convention center in this building?
A. They will build the marketing plan. B. No, it's next door. C. The assembly ended last March. Number 15.
I just forwarded my resume to an advertising firm.
A.
I hope you get the job.
B.
It's a good proposal.
C.
You didn't resume work last week.
Number 16. Where is the opening speech being addressed? A.
In the conference room.
B.
No, I didn't open it.
C.
On Friday evening.
Number 17.
When will your new cafeteria open for business?
A.
In the next building.
B.
I'm so happy because you love the food.
C.
On October 29th.
Number 18.
Could you help me load some chairs?
A.
At the furniture store.
B.
It's on the same road.
C.
Of course, just give me a second.
Number 19.
What is the fastest way to contact Ms. Olivia?
A.
Yes, she does.
B.
That is the best way.
C.
On her cell phone.
Number 20. Would you like me to bring your soup now or with the main dish? A.
It's our most famous course.
B.
Now will be good, thanks.
C.
It's on the main floor.
Number 21.
Why did you take the detour rather than using the shortcut?
A. At the tourist's right side. B. by next weekend. C. Because the street is under construction. Number 22.
How can I get to the information desk?
A.
Go straight down this aisle.
B.
No, 9 o'clock.
C.
I've already gotten it.
Number 23.
Who's the owner of this shop?
A.
No, only a few more.
B.
A previous co-worker, Mr. Blackstone.
C.
We can't own it.
Number 24.
When is the construction of Sky Tower scheduled for completion?
A.
I purchased it this morning.
B.
By the end of this fall.
C.
Only the rest of the workers of the call center.
Number 25.
Could you email Mr. McCutcheon about the change to his schedule?
A.
$30 for the change.
B.
The bus heading towards San Diego has arrived.
C.
I already contacted him about it.
Number 26.
Are these items included in the marketing campaign?
A.
Yes, I have labeled them with prices.
B.
In the sales department.
C.
Yes, those are 30% off.
Number 27.
When will you finish the annual report?
A.
To hire the reporter.
B.
It will be ready by tomorrow.
C.
He will report it to his boss at 10 o'clock.
Number 28.
Why haven't they completed the employee evaluation?
A.
The supervisor hasn't forwarded it yet.
B.
No, not until December.
C.
When did you evaluate it?
Number 29.
Have you been taught how to use this application?
A.
Yes, by my programmer.
B.
I used to hear about the Southwest factory.
C.
No, not from the application.
Number 30.
Let's volunteer at the used book sales event at the local library.
A. Several sources of the books. B. Are you sure that more people will visit it? C. Yes, I'm a member of the non-profit organization. Number 31.
The agreement was supposed to be transmitted to Miss Healy, wasn't it?
A.
Generally about 1 hour.
B.
No, she said she'll pick it up.
C.
To heal the patient.
Part 3. Directions. You will hear some conversations between 2 or more people. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The conversations will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, this is Julia Edward calling from the delivery department. I've got your text message about our new kitchen product. I am concerned about the delayed deliveries of the new product. The product is very popular, so we are having trouble keeping up.
I see. Unfortunately, we found some problems in the product itself. The handles of the skillets are getting too hot, so we must upgrade the handle with other materials to avoid overheating.
Right. When do you think the fry pan will be updated?
We are just waiting for the new handles to arrive this week. Upon arrival, we can upgrade the product and they'll be ready to go in about 2 weeks.
Number 32. What are the speakers discussing? Number 33. What caused the delay? Number 34. What does the man say he is waiting for? Questions 35 through 37 refer to the following conversation.
This morning on WWP Broadcasting News, I'm here with Malcolm Donahoe, the director at the construction site of the new South River Bridge. Malcolm, could you tell us about the new bridge you and your crew are working on?
Very good. Due to the heavy rain, we had to stop for a few weeks in November. However, the construction schedule of the bridge is back to normal.
That's great news. Once the bridge is built, it will be a lot more convenient to travel to shops and restaurants in the downtown area. When should we expect the bridge to be open to traffic?
At first, we were aiming for late April, but as of now, our target is May. Once it is completed, it will definitely be more convenient to get to the downtown area.
Number 35. What is being constructed? Number 36. What difficulty does the man mention? Number 37. When will the project most likely be finished? Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation.
Good morning. I'm staying here at a hotel, and I saw a flyer in the room advertising the city's bus tour. What is included in it?
As you can see, the bus goes to all of the major attractions in the city. We will give you enough time to look around each place. All admission fees are included in the price of the tour.
Excellent. I want to reserve a spot for tomorrow. Should I pay now or pay tomorrow?
It is better to pay now. We will print out a receipt for you, and when you get on the bus tomorrow, just show the guide your receipt.
Number 38. What is the conversation mainly about? Number 39. What does the man say is included in the price? Number 40. According to the man, what should the woman bring tomorrow? Questions 41 through 43 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, Ms. Hazel. This is Cooper from the Goldstein Mall Association. I'm calling about signs you put out advertising your electronics business. Sorry, but business advertisements are forbidden in this neighborhood.
What a surprise! I'm sorry, I didn't know. I'll take them off right away. My husband and I just moved into the neighborhood, and I didn't realize it would be a problem.
Well, we do support regional businesses, so I advise you post an advertisement in our neighborhood business magazine. A lot of people read it.
Number 41. Why is the man calling the woman? Number 42. What does the woman say she will do? Number 43. What does the man recommend the woman to do? Go on to the next page. Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, Glenn. This is Eddie calling from Tour World magazine. We're really happy with the article you wrote for us last week about tours in the Far East. I'm wondering if you're interested in writing a different article about your journey.
Fantastic. Could you tell me when the article is due? I'm working on a few writing assignments for other publications, so I just want to make sure of the deadline I need to meet.
Good. The article will be published in our July issue, and you will need to submit your work to the editing department by early June. I should also mention that we have recently increased our budget for freelance writers, so we'll be able to pay you a higher rate per work.
Number 44. What is the purpose of the man's call? Number 45. What does the woman ask the man about? Number 46. What change does the man mention? Questions 47 through 49 refer to the following conversation.
Hello. I bought my laptop here 3 years ago, and I think I need to get a new battery. It's not charging like it used to. The model number is QM436.
I am very sorry to hear that. We generally recommend the genuine battery. Unfortunately, we have no extra batteries in stock. For your laptop, the battery will be about $150.
Unbelievable. That's a lot more than I thought it would be. Isn't there a cheaper brand, like Xiaomi?
Sure, we do have some other brands. Let me just call the stockroom and see what we have.
Number 47. What does the woman want to do? Number 48. Why is the woman surprised? Number 49. What will the man probably do next? Questions 50 through 52 refer to the following conversation.
I heard that Mr. Kleinman will open a new office on the north side of Severs Park in the next summer.
For real? The rent is too high, Ms. Jackie. To make matters worse, the customer traffic is limited compared to the southern end.
Come on. Anytime I drive past the area, there is always a large crowd.
Sure, Jackie. And it'll be just down the street from my house. Do you know if there are any plans of moving anyone from here to there?
Sorry, but I don't want to move.
It's too early to tell, but I hope my name's on the list.
It's a good chance for me, too.
Number 50. What are the speakers discussing? Number 51. What does the man think about Severs Park area? Number 52. What do the woman want to do? Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation.
Have you read Joan Blackwood's best-selling book? Over 2 million copies have been sold.
I know. I am so happy for her. It's hard to think that she used to work with us.
Miss Joan Blackwood used to work here.
Yeah, Ms. Joan Blackwood was our best programmer.
Really? Do you know what her book is about?
Yes, it's about artificial intelligence. Her ideas are unique and inspiring to readers.
I think I'll go get myself a copy.
Here, you can borrow mine.
Number 53. What are the speakers discussing? Number 54. What does the man mean when he says, "I am so happy for her"? Number 55. What does the man indicate about the book? Questions 56 through 58 refer to the following conversation. Hi, Miss Kate Windsor. Would you be able to tell us more information regarding the tour tomorrow?
Of course, Mr. Bruno Crawford. There will be 2 tours every day. The first is at 9 a.m. and the second is at 1 p.m. Both of the tours will begin from the information center, so head over there before the tour begins. Which one do you want?
I'll be going to see a movie and to visit an art museum in the morning, so I don't think I can make the first tour. I'd like to buy a ticket for the second one if it's not sold out.
There are still a few spaces available. How about you, Mr. Dale Emery?
I'd like to buy a ticket for the second one. I'll be going to visit an art museum and a musical instrument store then.
The cost for each person is $80. The bus will pick up everyone in front of the Tourist Information Center.
Who will be the guide of this tour?
That is my job. I will see you tomorrow.
Number 56. Where will the men go tomorrow morning? Number 57. Where will Miss Kate Windsor meet Mr. Bruno Crawford and Mr. Dale Emery? Number 58. What is Miss Kate Windsor's job? Questions 59 through 61 refer to the following conversation. Rhonda, we may have a problem.
What is it, Harrison?
This isn't working. The battery in it has been fully charged, but the laptop won't turn on.
That's strange. It worked properly yesterday. Dr. Jeff will need it to consult his patients.
That's right. He wanted them to watch him later so they can learn how to use the new monitoring equipment.
Why don't you use someone's smartphone?
Because we'll get a better quality video with the laptop.
Good. Hold on a moment. I'll call the other departments. I bet one of them has a camera we can use.
Number 59. Where will the speakers most likely be? Number 60. What does the woman mean when she says, "That's strange"? Number 61. What does the woman suggest to do? Questions 62 through 64 refer to the following conversation.
Excuse me, this is my first time here. I have a guide map, but it doesn't show the zoo feeding times. Do you know what time I can feed the animals?
Here is my schedule. As you can see, all of the animals have different feeding times. I would recommend feeding the squirrel. It is the most popular animal to feed among guests, but it's your choice.
Sounds good. I'll probably go to see the one at 9:30 a.m. I don't think my children can wait any longer than that.
You can't go wrong with that time. Also, the zoo is open to the public for free of charge today due to the national holiday.
Number 62. What does the woman say about the guide map? Number 63. Look at the graphic. Which animal feeding will the woman see? Number 64. What does the man say about today's admission fee? Go on to the next page. Questions 65 through 67 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I'm wondering if your sale on fruits and vegetables is still being held.
Yes, we've reduced the price of many of those items by up to 20% until next week. Meat and fish are also discounted.
Can I get the same low prices on spices and sauces?
Of course.
I'm almost out of those at home, so I'd better go to their aisle first.
I'd be happy to take you there myself, if you can't find it on the map.
Number 65. What does the woman ask the man about? Number 66. Look at the graphic. Where will the woman go first? Number 67. What does the man offer to do for the woman? Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation.
Nancy, I was looking over our inventory, and we've almost run out of those steel cases. Could you order more cases from our supplier?
Yes. How many did you want me to order?
Maybe 1,000? Last time we purchased 10,000, and it was too many.
Good. You know that shipping is free for larger orders, right?
Really? If so, let's order the smallest amount that we can get with free shipping.
Nice. I'll look over the price once more and then make the order.
Number 68. What does the man ask the woman to do? Number 69. What does the woman indicate about the shipping price? Number 70. Look at the graphic. How many steel cases will the woman order? Part 4. Directions. You will hear some talks given by a single speaker. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each talk. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talks will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following announcement. I want to inform all staff that construction will begin next month in the parking lot beside Jeremy Hall. Please inform everyone to park outside South Hall instead of outside Jeremy Hall. We understand that South Hall is far from Jeremy Hall, so the company has provided a complimentary shuttle service. The shuttle will be available every 10 minutes for the trips between Jeremy Hall and the South Hall parking lot. When using the shuttle, make sure you have your employee identification card on hand. If you fail to show your ID, you are not allowed to ride the shuttle. The shuttle schedule and shuttle stations will be available on the company website. Number 71. What does the speaker inform listeners of? Number 72. What will be available to staff? Number 73. What will employees be required to do? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following broadcasting.
As you know, the introduction to our travel documentary series has been a great success. Our program has quickly become the top television program in the country. I want to expand the places we go to in the documentary series. So starting from next year, I want to focus on Asia. I'm hoping to focus mostly on South Korea, but I will cover other parts of Asia as well. For us to make this plan a reality, scheduling has to start right away. I heard many of you have traveled a lot, so I would appreciate it if everyone suggested 10 locations in Asia that seem interesting to them. Keep in mind that we will be visiting these places, so make sure you recommend places you would like to visit. I am looking forward to hearing your recommendations soon.
Number 74. What is being discussed? Number 75. According to the speaker, what change will occur? Number 76. What are listeners asked to do? Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following recorded message.
Hello, Mr. Cosby. This is Amy Smith. I am calling to ask for volunteers who are willing to help at the Jacksonville City Festival. The festival last year was a huge success, thanks to your contribution. I am very grateful for all your help and are in need of it again. I want to know if your volunteers are available this year to help out at the festival. This following Friday, there will be a concert featuring a local musician from our town. Our team is expecting a lot of townspeople and tourists to be at the festival this year. The show on Friday will be the perfect start to this year's festival. We need volunteers to sell tickets and stamp re-entering guests at the ticket booth. Without your help, the lines will be too long. If your volunteers are available and willing to help at the festival, please call me at 010-777-2510. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon.
Number 77. Who most likely is the speaker? Number 78. According to the speaker, why are many visitors expected next Friday? Number 79. What does the speaker ask for help with? Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following announcement.
Welcome to Miller Memorial Library's quarterly volunteer meeting. As many of you already know, the library has recently been renovated to include a new wing. The construction of Salinas Boulevard has been completed, so we need volunteers to help create a book collection there. I will pass out a sheet that has all the different dates and times for when we will be reshelving books. If you are available at any of the written times, please write your name next to it. I will be sending out copies of the completed schedule and will keep you all updated.
Number 80. According to the speaker, what happened at the library recently? Number 81. What is the purpose of the meeting? Number 82. What are the listeners asked to do? Go on to the next page. Questions 83 through 85 refer to the following announcement.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We greatly appreciate you all for agreeing to be models for the Med and Clothing Company's advertising campaign. It will be for the new spring collection launching this month. After receiving feedback from our customers, we have come to the realization that many of you prefer actual customers to be the models. We are happy to announce that we have made the change from professional models to our beloved consumers. If everything goes smoothly, the photo shoot will be over by lunch. Everyone participating will get a $200 gift certificate for a Med and Clothing store near you. Does anyone have any questions?
Number 83. What are the listeners going to do this morning? Number 84. What does the speaker say was learnt from a recent survey? Number 85. What will the listeners receive? Questions 86 through 88 refer to the following announcement.
Hello shoppers, thank you for visiting Addington's Groceries for all your shopping needs. We regret to inform you that there has been a mistake in our newspaper advertisement last week. A loaf of bread was advertised as costing $6, but the correct price is $7. We recommend you all to grab a free recipe booklet this week at the customer service desk. There are so many delicious recipes in there, including desserts using seasonal fruits from our store. Thanks again for shopping at Addington's Groceries.
Number 86. Where most likely is the announcement taking place? Number 87. Which of the following information was wrong? Number 88. What is available at the customer service desk? Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following advertisement.
I really want to work out, but the waist surgeries I had makes it hard to do so. So I decided to try Muscle Brother Gym, where they have a low-impact training program for people like me. The workout is tough, but it is easy on my waist, which results in a pain-free workout. This is possible because of the special running machine. Here's how it works. An hour workout 2 to 3 times a week is all it takes for you to see results. I lost 8 pounds and 10% of my body fat in just a month. All you need to do is call 070-9999-9090 to sign up for the low-impact program at Muscle Brother Gym.
Number 89. Who is the advertisement intended for? Number 90. What does the man mean when he says, "Here's how it works"? Number 91. According to the speaker, what is true about this advertisement? Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following speech.
Hello, everyone. I would like to thank everyone for coming to tonight's banquet. We have gathered here today to celebrate Ms. Hilton Reed's retirement. She has worked 36 years in the accounting service department with great happiness, but she is retiring to spend more time with her loved ones. She will be dearly missed. Ms. Hilton Reed has always showed great love and support to her junior staff and her fellow managers. She was so helpful and kept everything in great shape. There isn't a single person in this room who won't miss Ms. Hilton Reed, because she is such a wonderful and loving person. Without further delay, I would like to welcome her to the stage so she can say a few words.
Number 92. According to the speaker, what will happen tonight? Number 93. What does the speaker mention about Ms. Reed? Number 94. Why does the speaker say, "without further delay"? Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following talk and information.
Since everyone is here, let's get started with the meeting. There is a lot of work to do for this conference to be successful, so I have split everyone into groups. Every single group will each have a different assignment. I want everyone to meet at the front of the stage by 7 p.m. after we have finished. At 10 a.m., the conference will start, so we have to make sure to have everything ready by then. Miss Windle's group will act as ushers after they have completed their assigned group work. All you have to do is lead people to their seats. Mr. Trinnan's group will be the last to leave to make sure all the doors are locked.
Number 95. Where will the speaker probably work? Number 96. According to the talk, what are the listeners asked to do? Number 97. Look at the graphic. Which group will be the last to leave the premises? Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following announcement and schedule.
Attention ladies and gentlemen. I will announce this morning's schedules for the Yellow Cap tours. Baker will be in charge of 31 tourists, so you will need to use the big bus. As for David, you were originally scheduled to use the bus with 20 seats, but it isn't necessary because you aren't in charge of many tourists. So, I'm going to change you to Nicole's scheduled bus, which has 12 seats. Also, someone on David's team called and said that they would be bringing 2 more people. Turner, your team of 9 people, are waiting in the reception area, and you were scheduled to leave in 10 minutes. By the way, the roads are frozen over from last night's snow shower, so be careful, drivers.
Number 98. What will the listeners probably do this morning? Number 99. According to the speaker, why did they change David's bus? Number 100. Look at the graphic. Which bus will David use? This is the end of the listening test. Turn to part 5 in your textbook. End of recording.